Are you tired of spending your valuable time cleaning when you could be doing things you love? Enter the Vactidy T6 Robot Vacuum, a powerful, efficient, and versatile cleaning solution that's about to revolutionize your home maintenance routine. In this review, we'll dive into the features that make the Vactidy T6 a standout choice for those seeking a high-tech, hassle-free cleaning experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful suction with ease. The Vactidy T6 boasts an impressive 2000 a strong suction power in max mode, making light work of dust, debris, and pet hairs on hard floors and low-piled carpets. With 3 levels of suction power, this robotic vacuum adapts to all your cleaning needs, ensuring a high-efficiency clean every time. Slim body and quiet clean. Measuring only 289 inches in height and equipped with a 360-degree universal wheel, the Vactidy T6 effortlessly maneuvers through hard-to-reach corners like under beds, sofas, and cabinets. The 60 dB low noise in quiet mode ensures a peaceful cleaning experience, allowing you to go about your tasks undisturbed. 3-point thoroughly cleaning. Equipped with 2 spinning auto-side sweeper brushes, the T6 extends its reach to catch dirt and debris, ensuring a thorough cleaning performance. The roller brush deep cleans fine dust across all floor types, while the cleaning brush tackles entangled hair effortlessly, a worry-free solution for pet owners. Multiple ways to start the robot. The Vactidy T6 offers flexibility with multiple starting options. Set schedules and cleaning modes through the Vactidy app, control it with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant using voice commands, or use the convenient remote control. It's user-friendly, avoiding common connectivity issues, making it ideal for everyone, including parents and elders. Diverse cleaning modes. Choose from 3 cleaning modes: auto cleaning, spot cleaning, and edge cleaning, adapting to your specific cleaning needs. The Vactidy app allows you to switch between modes and power levels effortlessly, putting you in control of your T6 robot's cleaning routine.
Safe and no-stop cleaning. The T6 is equipped with sensitive anti-collision and drop sensing sensors, ensuring it navigates your home environment without colliding with furniture or tumbling down stairs. With the ability to climb up to 15, it seamlessly transitions from hardwood to carpet for non-stop cleaning.
Automatic charging and tips. Say goodbye to the hassle of remembering to charge your robot vacuum. The T6 automatically returns to the charging dock when the battery is low or cleaning is complete. With a user-friendly interface, automatic charging, and easy integration with voice control systems, the T6 offers a hassle-free experience. What you get. In the box, you'll find the Vactidy T6 Vacuum Robot, a remote control, batteries included, charging base, power adapter, 500 ml dust bin, 2 HEPA filters, 4 side brushes, cleaning tool, and a user manual. Plus, enjoy professional customer service and a 12-month worry-free warranty. In conclusion, the Vactidy T6 Robot Vacuum is not just a cleaning tool, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Embrace the power of technology to simplify your daily chores and enjoy a cleaner, healthier living space. Invest in the Vactidy T6 and let it do the cleaning while you focus on the things that truly matter. Ready to transform your cleaning routine? Click the link below to explore the full product specifications and discover why the Vactidy T6 Robot Vacuum is your ticket to a cleaner, more efficient home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.